we are going to make our own hot honey.
Mm-hmm.
Hot honey sell in the stores, like in Whole Foods, Walmart, and so on. But we are going to make our own today. We are going to use some sweet and spicy hot pepper from Grace. We are going to use some honey, any honey of your choice. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And we are going to use some cayenne pepper.
What if them no cayenne pepper those? What could they use besides this?
Any pepper, like, I don't know. Maybe they could use
Some type of peppery seasoning?
some peppery, either hot pepper, some other little pepper, liquid pepper. They can use it.
Okay.
But we are using cayenne pepper because we love pepper.
Sound like you want to
Spicy.
scotch bonnet.
Yeah, we don't have any scotch on it. But
So-
we're using this.
Alright.
And then when the chicken will fry, as you know, we are doing fried chicken. We're gonna drizzle it all over. Give
Okay.
it a nice flavor.
Alright, let's start making it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just making enough for the chicken. So I'm gonna put like a level teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a bowl, and I'm gonna just drizzle some honey on it. Turn off.